Hi guys, how are you? It's me, Clubmint. Today I'm back with a new unboxing. It's a really exciting one because yesterday I got the Margiela Tabi boots, the iconic Tabi boots. And I'm so excited to open the box. I got the package yesterday and I wasn't able to open it because I really wanted to keep the box closed for this video. So I hope you appreciate that because, it was really hard. It was really hard. But if you want to see which one I got, then keep on watching because you know me, I didn't get the basic one like the normal Tabi boots. I got something a little bit extra, something different. So if you're excited to see, then keep on watching. So before I open the box, I want to give you a little background of the Margiela Tabi boots. So as you may know, as you should know, I think, Margiela is a Belgian designer and he went to Japan with the Antwerp 6, so with Drawstring and the Millimeter and the other people. And he discovered the Tabi socks. I think it was a Tabi socks, yes. And when Martin came back from his trip, he made his first show, so it was in 1988, I think. And that's where, everybody discovered the Tabi boots. And yeah, now you should know that they make the Tabi boots in so many different styles. They make sneakers, they make sandals, they make even ballerinas. Okay guys, so I think it's time to open the box. I have tiny scissors here, so... Okay, so I got the Tabi boots from yayyyyyy. I love this website, and usually these boots that I got right now run around $1,000, and I got them for 324. I think it was, let me check, 324 euros, which is like, I think it's like $40–50, maybe less, I don't know. So I made a big deal. You know me, I always run for deals, like, woo! I'm so excited. So that's the box. It's a Margiela box. I'm gonna show you like with the numbers and stuff. It's really exciting. So now I'm gonna open. Wow, I love it already. I got the Drawstring boots, with the laces. I really love them. And they really smell like leather. I love it. It's made of calf leather. I'm gonna do the laces so I can properly show them to you. They smell really good, like new leather shoes. I love that. Those are the boots. So you have the laces here and you have the Tabi boot here. I love it. That's the sole. So beautiful. The sole says made in Italy, Margiela 22. It's amazing. Actually, I'm so curious to see how it feels to wear like Tabi boots because your toe, like your big toe, is separated from all your other toes, so it's really weird. But I did buy these ones, like those Nikes, a few years ago. I only wore them like once or twice. And they also have the Tabi toes. I'm gonna show you. It's like this, That's the Tabi toe. I don't really remember the feeling that I had with those, but I guess with a heel it's completely different. And also, I'm wondering if they give Tabi socks with this because I don't have any Tabi socks. But I don't see anything who looks like socks in here. Even this smells so good. And there's something weird in the shoe. Oh, okay. So let me explain you. Since it's really huge ear, if you put your feet in it, it won't like, you know, stick through your ankles. So they put like, I hope you will be able to see that, but I'm not sure. They put like an elastic inside. I don't think you can see it. You see, this is like an elastic. So you have to put your feet in this elastic, so you have like something who actually holds your feet, your ankles, you know? That's really smart. So actually the reason why I went for these ones, first of all because I was able to get them for a really interesting price, and second of all because, you know, I just like getting different stuff, you know, instead of getting the basic ones. I really love the basic ones, and I think I'm gonna get them as soon as I can, as I find a deal. But, you know, a little extra never kills anyone, and I just feel like when you're different, it's better. These shoes, I feel like they go with everything. Like, these shoes make your outfit. You can have the most boring outfit. If you put these, you're good to go. So I guess it's time to try them on and see how it feels. So I'm gonna take my recommends off. Beautiful recommends. Why is it so hard to get in there? Ugh. Oh, here I am. But because of this elastic, it's really hard to get in your shoe. Yay! Got them on. They're so beautiful. Okay, so it was a hell of a thing to put these boots on. It was really hard. They are so freaking comfortable. Yeah, I don't believe it. They're really comfortable, and you barely feel that your big toe is like separated. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how they look on feet. So they're really perfect. The only concern I have about them is the elastic inside the boots. So I showed you during the video that there is an elastic who keeps your feet to the boots. My feet now is really stuck, you know, in my boots, which is great, but the elastic is a little bit too tight, so I can really feel pressure on my feet right now. But I feel like the more you're going to wear them, the more it's going to get comfortable. So I don't think it's a big issue, but yeah, we'll see. I'm going to wear them a little bit, and I'll let you know down below how the elastic is going to feel after a few days. And that's it. So that's a little footage of you know, my feet after wearing my Tabi boots for like 5 to 10 minutes, and you can see the mark of the elastic on my feet. So I don't really know what to think about it. Imagine me wearing those boots for like a whole day straight. I don't know if it's healthy, but whatever, they're nice, so I'm going to suffer. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to leave a little comment, to like, to tell me what you think of the boots, how would you wear them, which is your favorite model actually. Do you prefer like metallic ones, the sneakers, like the wedges, the sandals? Let me know. But thank you for watching, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye guys.